Visium Max is being promoted as a powerful eye supplement that can restore vision, reduce eye strain, and even reverse age-related decline. But the real question is whether it actually works or just relies on aggressive marketing. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Visium Max is a real dietary supplement that contains vitamins, antioxidants, and plant extracts commonly used for general eye support. These types of ingredients are often linked to reducing oxidative stress and supporting eye health. However, here's the key point. There is no strong clinical evidence that this product can restore vision or fix eye conditions. There are some surface-level positives. Contains antioxidants and herbal extracts linked to eye health. Marketed for eye strain, dryness, and general visual comfort, easy-to-use supplement format. For basic support, supplements like this may help with minor eye fatigue, especially from screen use. But this is where the claims start to fall apart. The biggest issue is overhyped promises. Claims about restoring perfect vision or reversing damage are not medically proven. Supplements are not intended to treat or cure eye diseases. Another concern is lack of transparency and evidence. Many reviews point out no clear clinical studies backing the product. Heavy reliance on marketing phrases like doctor recommended without verification. So is Visium Max real or fake? Short answer, it's a real product, but with questionable claims. It may offer basic nutritional support for eye health, but it does not deliver the dramatic results advertised. Bottom line, Visium Max fits the pattern of a typical online supplement with exaggerated marketing. It's not necessarily a scam in the sense that a product exists, but the promised results are not backed by solid evidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.